1,000 miles from all I've ever known. Then a sign appeared before me, and it said, "Welcome to Chongqing." Chongqing, 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 Chongqing. Got me spellbound, yeah, I'm addicted. That's why I call it the city of mystics. It's got me spellbound, yeah, I'm addicted. That's why I call it the city of mystics.